Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how to apply for YouTube monetization. So I have over 500 subscribers and I hit the 3,000 hours of public watch time within the last 365 days. So let's jump over to the desktop. You could do the same thing on the YouTube Studio app. So at the top right, click on your profile picture, and from here go under YouTube Studio. And then we're just going to let it load. Okay, as you can see, I have 3,000 subscribers, and going under my channel data, you can see the last 365 days got 3,200 hours of watch time. Okay, so along the very left, you'll see this money icon, and it says earn. So click on that money icon, and then from here you should see your progress on how many subscribers you have and how many watch hours you still need. So instead of the 500 subscriber requirement with the 3,000 hours progress bar here, I have a button that says apply now. So this is what it would normally look like. It would say like how many subscribers you have, and you need one of the following, which is like the 3,000 public watch hours. Now I'm going to be trying to fill this progress bar to get 4,000 watch hours, but I've hit the first tier, and I'm just going to hit apply now. And then we will have 3 steps here. Step 1 is review basic terms, sign up for AdSense for YouTube, get reviewed. Okay, so I'm going to review the basic terms here. And when you reviewed everything, scroll down and click on I accept the base terms, and then click on accept terms. And then we'll just let that one load. And there we go. We have completed step 1. And next you're going to have to link an AdSense account. Now I already had this channel monetized previously, but all you have to do is create an AdSense account using your information. If you have any specific questions to this, let me know in the comment section below. But creating an AdSense account is basically just having your Gmail on AdSense, and you'll open up the AdSense account, and that's how you're going to get paid. That's how you're going to enter in your banking information, your social security number, and it just lets Google know like, hey, who are we actually paying here? So you'll have to enter in a lot of private information going through Google AdSense. I wouldn't have been able to show you that screen anyways, because there's just going to be a lot of information you have to put on there. And so that is step 2. As you can see, I have step 1 and step 2 done. Next is step 3. YouTube is basically going to review your channel to make sure it aligns with their monetization policies, and you'll get an email within a month, usually, according to this. And after that, you'll get approved or denied for YouTube monetization. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you later.